what's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears to Snore. Checking out this road. I've never been on it before I saw it. I said, oh, I'm gonna take it, what the hell. It was called like Judge Harriet Way or something like that in West Milford. Never been down it. I said, oh, let's take a ride. Let's see where it goes. There's a... There's a state park here. I didn't know that. Oh, crap, look at this. It goes to the airport. How cool is that? How freaking cool is that? I wonder if you have to pay in here. I'll take a look, huh? Oh, and friggin'. Guess you gotta go on foot. So, baby girl. Huh? How about that, huh? There's a turtlet here. You need to go. Making poops? Making poops? That is so cool, man. I did not expect to see that old airplane sitting there, big as life, man. I like aviation, terrified of heights. I'm not gonna fly anymore. I don't do well with turbulence. Now that you find out how bad our radar system is, hell, they keep losing contact with planes at Newark. That's not good. Yeah, man. How freaking cool is that? It's off Marshall Hill Road. Oh, badass. Oh, it's Airport Road. What did it call? Oh, Jungle Habitat. Wow. Keep in mind your boy has progressive, aka bifocal contacts, and I just butchered that. Wow. Oh, look at that. That's cool. They got a friggin' bunny helmet. Oh, that's awesome. What? Oh, never mind. I was gonna make a comment, but I was in the wrong. Go after these two. Man, the bugs are having a field day with me. And if you like acceleration, you can thank Big Sheila. And the friggin' motor in this bad boy. I'll tell you, Harley, man. I don't want to hear, it's not air cooled, it's not air cooled. Yeah, how well is Harley doing now that they decided they didn't need to compete with anybody? That's cool. We got a whole bunch of bikes there. I really like the new Street Glide. I honestly wish they would just do the handlebars proper. Holy friggin' crap, man. They had like everything in that group. Honda Rebel, ADV bike, baggers. Jesse's Kettle. Home of the Attitude Bagel. What you guys want? Jeez. Yeah, you know the sad part, man, it was probably just we went in and she was having a bad day, and she was probably just very easy to deal with, and you know, it's just us. Wouldn't surprise me the slightest. Yeah, see, there's that color up the road. It looked like there was let's see if I remember and I don't drive right past it. A boat launch I wanted to check out on, what is this? Greenwood Lake Turnpike, I think. Yeah, Greenwood Lake Turnpike. Twist your head at me, boy, I'll point my finger at you and shake it. Oh, 2 friggin' frowners. Don't be a Debbie Downer, you little frowner. Look at this. That dude happy as hell. Say. Oh, there's a puppers with its head out the window. I'm moving over to the right after getting the crap scared out of me the other day. Bring you back when we're moving. They're doing construction here. It's always like this. Oh, it's a BMW. Badass. Look at that exhaust. How cool is that? The way the pipes are arranged next to each other. I'm not too sure what kind of bike that is. Well, we don't have to go away because we're moving. It doesn't sound like a V-twin. Sorry, like a Harley. I have no clue. It might be a Harley. It sounds fantastic, whatever it is. It's not that boat launch. See a lot of those Volkswagen electric cars. My arm is getting tired from waving. That's not a bad thing either. That's cool. Everybody's just out having a good time. Yeah, I don't know what kind of bike that is, but it sounds great. Go too fast. Pass it. I believe it's down here. Just wanted to check it out. Let's go take a look. It's a beautiful day. There's a cool restaurant. Man, this road is fudged up. Oh, this counts as off-road. Incredibly slow off-road. Man, this parking lot is shit. Oh, there's the boat launch. Man, just taking it easy there as trying to dump the front end. Grateful I'm doing this on this bike and not the Lowrider ST. Not that the Lowrider ST couldn't handle it. Big Sheila was bred for this kind of riding. Ain't that right, Big Sheila? Yeah. Sun's out, the temps are up, t-shirt is on, bikes are over there. I got a burp. And if you like burps, be sure to give my videos the thumbs up. Be taking a trip in August. I'm gonna film. We're going to Virginia. Some George Washington and Thomas Jefferson or something state park. Looks cool. The hotel we're staying at has a bar and a pool, and there's an Applebee's across the street. I mean, what more do you need in life, right? Libations, cheap appetizers, and walking distance to sleep. We are down below Monksville Reservoir and the dam, making our way back to the lovely Bergen County, New Jersey. And that's me. No sticker on the camera this time. I see you, sir, waiting to point out the sticker that can be removed. Touché, sir, touché. I think this dude's gonna come up and pass me, which is fine. I am slower moving traffic. Come on, bub. Open that bad boy up. Or not. Choice is yours. Oh, crap. Camper pulled out in front of me. And an SUV. M3. I can't. Thank God I know this dude's behind me because I can't hear him, and I don't have any tunes on or anything. If you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos every Friday, 3 p.m.-ish. Be safe out there, kids.